Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're looking at our 53-foot Roberts. We just listed this boat. It's sitting out of the water at Shelter Island for your inspection. Great boat, nice and clean on the inside. All LP painted by one of the local vendors here in Shelter Island Marina. Beautifully done, high gloss LP paint. The bottom was completely stripped back, and then 7 coats of epoxy put on it, and then bottom paint. The lines running down are just from the water, from it sitting out of the water here. So you got zinc plates on the keel that are screwed on. And as you come around the back, sorry about the ladder, taking up some of the thing, the Viking Mistress right there. It's a really nice offshore capable boat. It's been offshore, it's ready to go today. Again, you got a max prop on there with prop speed painted onto it. Helps reduce growth on it. New zincs on the shaft there. Great big shaft, completely protected. Skeg hung rudder. Everything is super solid and robust on this boat. It is a world cruiser. It's 53 feet. It was recently painted. It's in beautiful shape. Has a sugar scoop in the back for easy access on and off the boat. Has a radar arch on the back. New electronics in 2024. That was a huge expense. But the bottom and the paint job alone were the most expensive things done on this boat. There's lots of boats out there, but not like this where they've had all the big upgrades done on them. This boat has had them all done. You're paying for that, yeah. But to have this done today, you'd be into it for $300,000 just to paint the boat and do the bottom at most of the yards today. What a great looking boat. The Viking Mistress is a custom 53 Roberts, all aluminum construction. It's been surveyed recently. We see a copy of that survey when you come to see the boat. All new running rigging on this boat. It was done in 2020. A lot of the upgrades were done around the 2020 mark, but the boat's been sitting in Shelter Island now, has not gone anywhere. The engine was completely rebuilt. The owners represented 515 hours since that time was done. He's also done a lot of the maintenance. He's a professional mariner himself. He's familiar with what he has, as we are too. We'd love to show you the boat. It's a 53 Custom Roberts. Built in 1996, finished by under the supervision of the current owner, built by a local shop here in Mitchell Island. Super high quality build on this model. 53 Roberts. We look forward to hearing from you. One of the best priced metal boats in the Pacific Northwest today for what it is. Thanks for watching.